lovely friends, once again welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share with you a very beautiful craft, and it's really very easy, especially for 15th August. So let's start. So first you have to take 2 paper plates of white color, and please friends, don't use any printed paper plates. And if your paper plates are wrapped with thin plastics, then please remove it carefully before making the craft. And remove the plastic sheets from both the plates. Next, you have to take a fabric color or a poster color of sky color and take a brush and start coloring the plate and color the plate very well. And don't color the whole plate, leave a little portion on one side of the plate. After coloring the first plate, take the another plate and place it over the colored plate, and then take a scale and a pencil or pen and draw a line leaving about 3/4 portion of the plate. And then just cut it according to the line. Take the cutted portion and place it over the colored plate, and again take the pencil and scale to take the measurement, the accurate measurement, and draw a line. Now next we have to take the another plate and we have to paint it. For painting the plate, we will use light green color and paint it properly. Now next we have to take a light yellow paper or a lemon color paper, and we have to cut out a small circle from it and just paste it over here. Take a small piece of glitter sheet and shape it like this and place it on the middle of this plate. Now just take the lifted piece of the paper plate and a pencil and just follow me, start drawing. Color the drawing with your green color sketch pen. So after coloring we need to cut it, and after cutting it will look like this. Now we need some color papers to make some small flowers just like this. After pasting the paper flowers as I have done, take a small rectangle shaped white paper and then just take a scale and pencil and start drawing our national flag. Now as we know, we have to color our national flag, so take the sketch pens and start coloring it properly. Now take a ice cream stick and put a little glue on one side of the stick, and then take our flag which you have made and just paste it on the ice cream stick properly. Next, take a random measurement and cut a rectangle shaped white sheet and then start drawing. After drawing this cute little rabbit, you need to take a black sketch pen and start making its outline. Our mama rabbit and our baby rabbit is ready. Now it's time to paste them. Next, cut a little paper strip just like this. Then take your green color sketch pen and color it properly. After coloring it, we need to cut it and divide it into two. Now take the single piece of paper and with the help of your fingers, start folding it in a zigzag manner. Next, after folding it, put some glue on one side and paste it on the paper plate as I am doing. Then again take some glue and put it on the another side of the folded paper. And then just you have to paste the cute rabbit on the folded paper. done it, and see, it's looking so cute, isn't it? And it's also moving, guys. Isn't it is good? Now take some glue and put on the corners of the plate. And also put glue at the bottom, but don't put glue in the middle of the plate. So now it's time for pasting. Now paste both the plates together as I am doing, but don't put glue or paste the plates from the middle. Leave some space there. Now take a black sketch pen and start making some little birds, but it is totally optional. If you want to make, you can, but if you will make some bird, it will look more beautiful. Almost we have done, and now the last thing we need to do is we have to put the flag from the middle of the plates where we had kept some gap. So you have to put it in the middle of the plate and it will look like this. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is really very easy and fun to make, so try it at home. And if you liked my video, then leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, share this video, and those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, take care, bye bye, happy Independence Day to all of you.